It's time for another fun back to school craft at Sparkleberry. Today we're going to be using these awesome button stickers that I have in my collection at Michael's. You guys, there are so many fun things you can do with these. I actually got mine from my surprise box that you can get at michaels.com only. These are really awesome for all kinds of fun things like scrapbooking, but today we're going to be using these in a different way. See how they're adhesive on the back? Yeah, I really wanted you to see that. Isn't that cool? So we're going to be covering that adhesive part with a piece of paper. So I went ahead and measured my round part of these button stickers, and then I'm just covering it with paper to cover up all of that adhesive. I could also take off the adhesive from the actual button just like this, and that would be another way you could do it. And then you could just stick your paper right on there just like that because there's so much adhesive still on there. This is just going to make it a little thinner. So you can see the difference right there. The one on the right is a lot thicker because it has the adhesive foam on it. So now we're going to take our flexible magnets. I got these at Michael's. You can use magnet paper, little magnets, however, but this is what I got at Michael's. And I was really surprised to see, I thought they were going to be sticky because it said glue and stick on them. So it meant glue and stick them. So we're going to be using my Recollections permanent adhesive applicator today. And I'm just going to be putting a little bit of adhesive on each magnet, even though it is kind of sticking because it's magnetized, but we want to just go ahead and secure that. So I'm going to do this with all 6 of these buttons. They do make the magnetic paper that you could cut and fit perfectly to the back of these, but this is how I did it today, and it really worked out just fine. You'll see. So now I'm just finishing up putting the adhesive on the rest of the magnets, and then we're going to move on to what I decided to put mine on. I don't have a locker. These would be great for your locker, you guys, but I don't have a locker. So I'm going to be putting mine on a super special place that is in most of my videos. This is my pink box. So I'm kind of addicted to magnets. Love them, especially when they're really cute like these and fun and tropical. So there you go. I'm putting them on there and just displaying how this could be really, really great for your locker. I hope you guys love this quick DIY. Let me know what you think.